Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a clear image and placing it in Pictures or Desktop so the system can find it fast. Once done, check resolution and crop or resize to match your laptop's display for crisp results. 1920x 1080 is common. Make sure file format is JPG or PNG, and decide whether you want one static picture, a rotating slideshow, or a solid color background. This early choice affects battery and performance, so pick lighter images for longer battery. You now open Settings and navigate to Personalization or Desktop to apply the image. Click Browse, select your saved photo, and choose how it fits the screen: fill, fit, center, stretch, or tile, because each option changes composition and cropping. If you prefer variety, enable slideshow and set an interval. For multiple monitors, pick per display images or span one across screens. Make sure to save or apply changes. The preview should show how your choice will look before you close settings. You finish by confirming the wallpaper appears on the desktop and lock screen, and then check power settings that might pause slideshow updates. If the image looks stretched or blurry, change the fit option or adjust display resolution to match the photo. If the wallpaper fails to update, restart the file manager. Restart Explorer on Windows or relaunch the dock on Mac OS. This usually forces the UI to refresh. If problems persist, try a different image format or place the file in a local folder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.